Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Sportuniverse token. Ticker symbol is SUV. Now don't get this confused, I remember another token came out a few months back called Sportverse, and ticker symbol was SV. Very similar name, similar ticker symbol, but different token. This is a brand new project. Sportuniverse, ticker symbol SUV, and is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange starting tomorrow, December 17th at 10 o'clock UTC time. This token is getting a new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I was looking at their webpage earlier. Kind of reads a little bit off. You could change the language. It's most likely translated to English. Grammar slightly off. So if I'm giving you some info and it sounds a little bit weird, it's because the grammar reads weird on their pages. Now this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. Now they only have 15 holders so far. It looks like there is some Pancake Swap transfers and whatnot. I'm not sure if it is available on Pancake Swap as of yet, but there is some stuff going on Pancake Swap, so it looks like it will be available there very soon. And it also will be available here on a very big central exchange starting tomorrow, December 17th at 10 o'clock UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search SUV, and then simply just buy the token. So Mexc says Sportuniverse is a Web3 fitness app that uses computer vision to recognize your body's movements. Now they have a web page, sport-universe.com. Like I said, this is on the Binance Smart Chain. There is 18 decimal places on this token and a max total supply of 100 million SUV tokens. Now, they have a Telegram you could follow at Sportuniverse7 that has 11,073 members on there, so they're doing very well. It says, building the world's most popular fitness app. And they also have a Twitter that I'm going to put up right here that has a link to their Telegram on the Twitter, as you can see, and their webpage. You can find all the links there at Sportuniverse_7. 30 tweets so far, 9,511 Twitter followers. So it looks like they just started their pre-sale recently. They tweeted out December 5th that their pre-sale was starting, and has the contract address on their Twitter there and their most recent tweet from December 5th. It says, the way we trade, invest, and grow. Now, they have their webpage. It does say you can find a white paper. If you click on knowledge, their knowledge section on their webpage, it says white paper. You click on that. It says it's not available yet. So it looks like their white paper is still in the works. Hopefully it comes out soon. They do have a little video trailer for their app that you could watch on their webpage, just a little short video. It says social, fitness, and gamified. Join today and make, and it says make your R important. See what I mean? Very translated. For, I mean, I don't know why they don't get better better people to translate some of these pages, these crypto pages, but make your R important, it says. Isn't that crazy? Sportuniverse is a Web3 lifestyle app with SocialFi and GameFi elements. Players can make handsome earnings by walking, swimming, or riding their bikes. The Sportuniverse Foundation, a non-profit organization dedicated to promoting the integration of health and blockchain technology, combining fitness and cryptocurrency in innovative ways to provide users around the world with fun, rewarding, and safe health experiences. It says MSB supervision. We are strictly supervised by MSB, whatever that is, and maintain a high degree of compliance and user-fund data security to ensure that users' experience in the field of fitness and encryption is legal, trustworthy, and protected. They do have like these documents linked on their page that you can review if you like. So it says, what we do, health is wealth. You can earn money by swimming, running, and cycling, and the AI will automatically calculate your calorie consumption and reward you with tokens. So their roadmap, starting in August 2023, they started building the project, then writing the white paper. November, it says white paper V1 released, but like I said, it wasn't working when I tried to click on it. It says not available. It was a flip book, and it says flip book is not available. Official website released. Then they're coming out with the NFTs. They're going to have staking, new ecology. They're going to develop new machine vision systems, smart program released, burn to earn. They're going to come out with their own sport chain eventually in 2025 and release the SDK. So it says marketers create white papers to educate their audience about a particular issue or explain and promote a particular methodology. And then it says download the white paper, and it takes you to a flipping book that didn't work. A little bit of team information, has their full names, job titles, and background, but it doesn't have pictures. They have a lot of partners on here. There's like at least 10 to 15 partners on here you can check out. They have a DAO, so a decentralized autonomous organization. If you are a holder involved in this project, you can most likely get involved with voting rights and vote on proposals in which direction you think the project should go in. So eventually that'll come out. But yeah, they're going to have the app with NFTs. It's going to help you exercise, Web3 DApp, the utility token is going to be utility and governance token. Eventually they're going to come out with their own chain, but this is still obviously in the very early stages. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Check out the referral codes, especially that Mexc global one where this token's being listed. And thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day. Peace out.